Number 1. Maserati Levante. The Maserati Levante embodies Italian elegance with its bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and coupe-inspired silhouette. Sculpted lines, muscular fenders, and the signature triple side vents highlight its performance heritage, while the trident emblem adds a touch of prestige and power. Inside, the Levante combines Italian craftsmanship and modern luxury, with premium leather upholstery, elegant trim, and fine stitching. The cabin features supportive seats, a refined infotainment system, and ambient lighting that enhances the driving experience. The Levante delivers exhilarating power through its range of engines, including a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 and a 3.8-liter V8, producing up to 580 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Q4 intelligent all-wheel drive, it ensures sharp handling and a smooth ride across all terrains. The Levante features an advanced infotainment system with wireless smartphone connectivity and premium audio. Safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and surround view cameras for greater confidence on every drive. Starting at around $90,000 USD, the Maserati Levante combines Italian design, thrilling performance, and refined luxury, a true statement in the premium SUV class. Number 2. The Rolls-Royce Ghost. The Rolls-Royce Ghost radiates timeless luxury with its elegant proportions and commanding stance. The signature Pantheon grille, laser headlights, and smooth body lines exude sophistication, while the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem and 21-inch wheels complete its refined presence. Inside, the Ghost defines ultimate craftsmanship with hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, and starlight headliner. Every surface is meticulously detailed, offering a serene atmosphere enhanced by advanced sound insulation and customizable ambient lighting. Under the hood lies a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower, delivering effortless acceleration and unmatched refinement. The satellite-aided transmission and adaptive suspension ensure a smooth, whisper-quiet ride that glides over any surface with grace. The Ghost integrates advanced technology with subtle elegance, featuring a high-definition infotainment system, a heads-up display, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Safety systems include adaptive cruise control, night vision assist, collision warning, and a 360 degrees camera for confident, composed driving. Starting at around $345,000 US, the Rolls-Royce Ghost blends supreme comfort and refined performance, standing among the most prestigious luxury sedans today. Number 3. Porsche Cayenne GTS. The Porsche Cayenne GTS showcases sporty elegance with its aggressive front fascia, sculpted hood, and large air intakes. Black exterior trims, 21-inch RS Spider wheels, and quad exhaust tips highlight its dynamic look, while the LED headlights and sleek taillight strip complete its bold identity. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with performance intent. Alcantara and leather surfaces create a refined atmosphere, while the driver-oriented cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a responsive central touchscreen for seamless control. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivers 453 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque, sending the Cayenne GTS from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. With its 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission, adaptive air suspension, and torque vectoring, it provides sharp handling and a balanced ride between comfort and sportiness. The Cayenne GTS features Porsche communication management with real-time navigation, smartphone integration, and voice control. Its Bose premium sound system and safety assists like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure convenience and confidence on every drive. Starting at around $126,000 USD, the Cayenne GTS perfectly merges power, luxury, and agility, making it one of the most dynamic performance SUVs in its class. Number 4. Mitsubishi Montero. The Mitsubishi Montero projects rugged sophistication with its bold dynamic shield front grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular body lines. Chrome accents, a high ground clearance, and 18-inch alloy wheels emphasize its commanding off-road presence, while the sleek tailgate design adds a refined touch. Inside, the Montero offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with leather sheets, soft touch materials, and silver trim accents. The driver's area provides excellent visibility, while the intuitive infotainment system and well-placed controls enhance convenience and ease of use. Powered by a 2.4-liter MyVec turbo diesel engine producing 181 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, the Montero delivers dependable strength both on and off the road. Its Super Select 4WD2 system, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensures confident traction and smooth performance across any terrain. It features a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity and essential comfort features. Safety technologies like forward collision mitigation, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic alert help enhance driver confidence on every journey. Starting at around $42,000 USD, the Mitsubishi Montero blends reliability, off-road capability, and everyday comfort, making it a versatile SUV for families and adventurers alike. Number 5. Mercedes-AMG CLE 53. The Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 radiates dynamic elegance with its sporty AMG body styling. The Panamericana grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted hood emphasize performance, while aggressive side skirts, 20-inch AMG wheels, and quad exhaust tips enhance its athletic stance and commanding road presence. Inside, the CLE 53 blends luxury and sportiness with Nappa leather upholstery, AMG sport seats, and carbon fiber trim. Dual 12.3-inch digital displays, MBUX infotainment, and ambient lighting provide advanced technology and comfort in a driver-focused cockpit. Powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo with EQ boost, producing 429 horsepower and 520 Newton-meters of torque, the CLE 53 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds. AMG Speed Shift 9-speed transmission, 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, and adaptive air suspension ensure precise handling and a balanced, thrilling ride. Featuring MBUX infotainment, wireless connectivity, and a head-up display, the CLE 53 keeps drivers informed and connected. Safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras for confident and secure driving. Starting at around $85,000 USD, the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 delivers refined luxury and exhilarating performance, standing out as a sporty and sophisticated coupe sedan in its class. Number 6. Range Rover Sedan. The Range Rover Sedan exudes refined elegance with its sleek aerodynamic silhouette and signature floating roof. LED headlights, a bold front grille, and sculpted body lines highlight its luxurious presence, while chrome accents and 21-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. Inside, the cabin offers a luxurious and comfortable environment with premium leather upholstery, refined trim, and spacious seating. The intuitive infotainment system, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials enhance both comfort and sophistication for all occupants. A 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with mild hybrid technology produces 395 horsepower and 550 newton-meters of torque. The 8-speed automatic transmission, adaptive air suspension, and terrain response system ensure smooth handling and a confident, comfortable ride on any surface. Equipped with a dual touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and premium audio, the Range Rover sedan offers modern convenience. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to ensure confidence and security. Starting at around $92,000, the Range Rover sedan delivers luxurious comfort, refined performance, and sophisticated design, standing out as a premium choice among luxury sedans. Number 7. Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 exudes a sporty and rugged character with its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Black accents, roof rails, and 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its adventurous appeal, while the aerodynamic silhouette conveys both elegance and agility. Inside, the CX-50 offers a driver-focused cabin with premium materials and comfortable seating. Leather-trimmed seats, intuitive controls, and a central touchscreen infotainment system provide both comfort and convenience for daily driving and long journeys. Powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing up to 256 horsepower and 434 newton-meters of torque, the CX-50 delivers responsive acceleration. Its all-wheel drive system, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and adaptive suspension, ensures confident handling on both urban roads and light off-road terrain. Equipped with Mazda Connect infotainment, smartphone integration, and premium audio, the CX-50 keeps drivers connected and entertained. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera, providing confidence on every drive. Starting at around $38,000 USD, the Mazda CX-50 blends sporty styling, practical performance, and modern technology, making it a versatile and appealing choice in the compact SUV segment. Number 8. Audi Q7. The Audi Q7 exudes sophisticated presence with its bold single-frame grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Chrome accents, 20-inch alloy wheels, and muscular wheel arches enhance its commanding stance, while a sleek roofline and distinctive taillights give it a modern and elegant appearance. Inside, the Q7 offers a luxurious cabin with premium leather upholstery, wood and aluminum trim, and spacious seating. The driver-focused cockpit includes a dual touchscreen infotainment system and ambient lighting, providing comfort and convenience for all occupants. Powered by a 3-liter V6 turbocharged engine, producing 335 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque, the Q7 delivers smooth acceleration and confident handling. Quattro all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and adaptive air suspension provide precise control and a balanced ride on various terrains. Equipped with MMI touch response, smartphone integration, and premium audio, the Q7 keeps occupants connected and entertained. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced driver confidence. Starting at around $58,000, the Audi Q7 combines refined luxury, practical performance, and advanced technology, making it a standout in the premium SUV segment. Number 9. BMW X6M. The BMW X6M radiates sporty aggression with its bold kidney grille, angular LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Large air intakes, muscular wheel arches, and 21-inch M alloy wheels emphasize its performance-oriented design, while quad exhaust tips complete its commanding presence. Inside, the X6M offers a driver-focused cabin with merino leather upholstery, M Sport seats, and carbon fiber trim. The digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen provide essential technology and comfort for daily driving and spirited performance. Powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 617 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque, the X6M accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. M xDrive all-wheel drive, adaptive M suspension, and M-specific dynamic systems ensure precise handling, agility, and a thrilling ride on any road. Equipped with BMW iDrive 8, wireless smartphone integration, and premium Harman Kardon audio, the X6M keeps drivers connected and entertained. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for confidence and security. Starting at around $110,000 USD, the BMW X6M delivers exhilarating performance and luxurious technology, making it a standout high-performance SUV. Number 10. The Honda Accord Coupe. The Honda Accord Coupe exudes sporty elegance with its sleek aerodynamic profile, bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights. Sculpted body lines, a sloping roofline, side skirts, and stylish alloy wheels emphasize its dynamic character, while subtle chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. Inside, the Accord Coupe offers a comfortable and driver-focused cabin. Premium cloth or leather-trimmed seats, intuitive controls, and a central touchscreen infotainment system provide convenience and comfort for both daily commutes and spirited drives. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 252 horsepower and 370 newton-meters of torque, the Accord Coupe delivers responsive acceleration. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available sport-tuned suspension, it ensures a smooth and engaging driving experience. Equipped with Honda Display Audio, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system, the Accord Coupe ensures connectivity and entertainment. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and a rear-view camera for driver confidence. Starting at around $33,000 USD, the Honda Accord Coupe delivers sporty design, practical performance, and modern technology, making it a compelling choice in the coupe segment.